So, hi everyone, my name is Ujjwal Kushwaha. I am a second year computer science engineering student at BBDITM. Today, I will talk about a machine learning project that I have created. The problem statement for my project is property price prediction. So, let's get started. First, let me show you the dataset I used for this project. It is Bangalore House dataset. So, here I have chosen this dataset because it has enough number of rows, and the columns it has is area type, availability, location, size, society, total square feet, area of the total flat, bathroom, balcony, and price. So let's move to Google Colab to go through the main parts of the code. I will explain how I have imported the data, cleaned it, performed EDA, trained the model, and tested it. Also, I have, after training this model, I got an accuracy of 80 to 82%. Then I have also exported this model in form of pickle file, and then used a Flask and Python to create an API through which we can directly predict our property prices. So let's get started. Let's move to Google Colab. Yeah, here I have first imported the Bangalore house data.csv file. My dataset is now imported, and then I have used some libraries of Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn, and all these are important now. After that, let's move to importing our CSV file. I have imported into a object called data. Then I have checked it data.head how my uh, how my dataset looks like. So it's very dirty now. So let's move and check more things. And here I have removed the non-null. I have removed the null values, and then after that the shape was like 20433 and 10. So after removing everything, I got to 20,433 rows. After that, data describe, and then here I have used some of the graphs to explore the dataset more clearly. Then here, I have some more things like dummies are removed and all. Then again, I have some heat map here, and this is all my EDA part where I have cleaned the data. After cleaning all this, I have used the scalar to train my data, and here I have trained my data. XY train and test data objects are sent to the model, and then we have trained it. And after training, I got an accuracy of 81%. Forrester score was 81%, and then I have exported my model. My pickle model is exported here, and it's in form of pickle. I have two things, prediction model.pkl and prediction scalar.pkl. All these two will be used in Python directly to uh, predict more data. So now let's move to the part of VS Code where I have also created a function, and here I have given a data, and to check the result, the price estimated is around to be 1,68,000 and 122. It's predicting, and 80% I think it's okay. So now let's move to the VS Code part, and now I will show you how I have created an API. So this is my app.py. Here it's a very simple Flask app made using Python. So it it's just an API. Here its endpoint is predict, where after a post request, it takes some key values like longitude, latitude, uh, population, bedrooms, area, income, and all, also like near ocean or sea facing and other things. And then this data is cleaned and then uh, given to this function called house prediction. Start my server. It's saying something. So here my server has started. Now let's try to predict some data. This is my JSON body. Okay, now here I will send a post request, and after that the prediction is like uh, 2,46,394 rupees. So it has predicted the data. Now let's talk about the future scopes. So my next step will be to create a web page, a full stack website where we can insert these data as in a graphical format and deploy that website so that other users can use it. And solve their problems. Thank you.